Today we're going to be quartering a chicken, a different kind of way. We're going to be taking the legs off and the breasts off. The breasts are going to become a skin-on supreme, which is basically a chicken fillet with a little wing bone on and the skin for that extra juicy flavour. And this is a great way to prepare a chicken for a dinner party, for barbecues, or even a Saturday night curry. You get the chicken, and by pulling the legs back a little bit, you can put your thumb under the breast and that helps that sort of shape. And then with a large kitchen knife, cut diagonally down like this, and then you can just twist the chicken up like that, cut through. First of all, we'll do the legs. So the legs are like this. If you just twist them, they'll pop out of their joints like this, and then by standing on its side, we're going to cut like this, which is an S-shaped cut, removing the backbone. This is a great way to do a chicken leg because you don't get the backbone and you get a lot more meaty thigh. And the same on the other side. Then we have the bone. We'll cut the little joints at the leg off, and the same on the other one. And there we have the two legs. Now for the breasts. So the wings, often known as three joints. So we have the tips, and we have a joint there as well. And what we're going to do, we're going to cut straight down through that one, turn them around, straight down through this one. And now, with the breasts facing us this way, we're going to cut down the center bone there. So left hand, if you're left-handed and right-handed. So left hand holds the chicken like this. The right hand goes down the breastbone and down the wishbone. Turn it around, up to the top. And then straight down, you can just take the supreme off the bone, just like that. And then the other side, remaining something to hold on to with our left hand here, we can do the same again. Start from the top, straight down the bone, past the wishbone, and as you go down, you'll reach the little wing joint. Cut through that, and sometimes you can even pull the last bit off like this. And the bone should look something like this, with not too much meat on it. Now, that is our skin-on supreme and our skin-on bone-in chicken legs. Perfect for marinating, perfect for a curry, perfect for dinner party.